recording.
Alright, so we left Weir's Valley. We're back on the Foothills Parkway. We're on the good part of the Foothills Parkway. We're heading up to where all the cool overlooks are. I'm on a VFR 800 Deluxe, model year 2014. I've got the wife on the back. If you watched my other video of us coming to Weir's Valley, she was not happy coming across this mountain. I don't know why. This road's like a roller coaster, especially on a motorcycle. This bike's good, but it is no Ducati 848, that's for sure. Look at that view. Look at that view, guys. And one girl who's watching. I'm gonna slow down so you can really see up here. This is just lookity look. Look. I don't know if you can see over that wall. If I were more of a daredevil, I'd go right on that white line for y'all. I love you. I just don't love you that much. There you go. They need to mow down those weeds. Still no Roland in the rearview mirror. It just doesn't get any prettier than this. Look at this. Look at that. Look at that, would you? Look at it. Look. You just almost want to reach out and touch it, don't you? Wowee. Wowee. I know you were wishing you were here. There's a Goldwing behind me. But I'll tell you what, if you come here, give me a heads up a little bit before you get here. I have no problems making plans to come ride with you. I'll even do my best not to offend you. Maybe. What is not to love about riding in the mountains? It is 80 degrees though, and I am warm. The women think I'm a hottie. Woohoo! You know that is not true. Yeah, if this road were closer to home, be on this road all the time. I say that about the Cherahela Skyway, but I've only been on the Cherahela Skyway twice this year. I feel that too will change. I don't like that Monroe County Sheriff's Department now has a bunch of motorcycles and they're out there patrolling it. Granted, even the best cop on a Harley Davidson isn't going to catch a sport bike. A decent sport bike rider is going to be able to outride an amazing cop on a Harley on the Cherahela Skyway. But he does have that radio. So think about that if you're going into Tennessee on the Skyway. You might want to tone it down once you hit the state line. We have not seen any law out here today. Knock on wood, but we're going to hit Tail of the Dragon shortly. I may or may not run video through the Dragon. But I would expect there to be law. This is the weekend before July 4th. And we've seen quite a few motorcycles out today. Bunches and bunches of sports cars. But hey, I am going to click off the camera. You have seen the best part of the Foothills Parkway, I think. The rest of it just kind of looks like it does here. So I'm going to click off. Hit that thumbs up button for me. Give me a like. I appreciate it. Hit me up with a comment. If there's another road in this area you want to see, you know, drop me a line in the comments on this video or any of my videos, and I'll try to get out there. As long as it's within 100 miles of Murphy, North Carolina, I'll do it. All right, talk to you later. I'm out.